I think one of the biggest money tips that's underrated and goes over everyone's heads is building a relationship with a credit union.
Oh, shameless!
Especially for someone that makes less than $100,000 a year. You don't understand the value of putting $500 into your checking account with a credit union and then adding $100 here, $100 there. That is super valuable to any credit union because credit unions don't base their decisions on just your credit score. All these credit unions have what are called internal credit scores.
I beg your pardon?
Then you go set up a direct deposit and they see that money that's consistently coming into the credit union. That's what they want to see. And at that point is when they start to offer you money. They'll offer you loans at lower interest rates. They'll offer you credit cards with higher limits. And a lot of people love to argue about this. They say, no, you got to have a high credit score. No, you can have a crappy credit score and a crappy credit profile. And as long as you're building your relationship properly and you're responsible with your money with that credit union and you're paying all of your loans or credit cards on time with the credit unions will always back you and get you better rates and better products. But here's where people get it wrong. They go and they open up a credit union and then they immediately go apply for something and they just expect the credit union to give them a better interest rate or a high limit credit card. No, you have to build and establish that relationship using more of the products that the credit union offers because that is going to raise your internal credit score with the credit union. Because remember, all of these credit unions have internal credit scores. As a great example, Navy Federal, you won't ever see that internal credit score until you apply for a credit product with them, and then they'll send you your actual Navy Federal credit score. You probably don't believe me, so let me show you exactly what that internal Navy Federal credit score looks like. This is when I first applied for a Navy Federal credit card and what they told me. Now, I was not declined, but I did not get a high limit because I tested this out to show everyone proof that you need to establish a relationship. And it told me exactly what my Navy Federal credit score was.
Sensational.
As you can see right there, the Navy Federal internal credit score ranges from 100 to 450. My own was a 292 the first time I applied for any credit product with them. You can raise it higher by following the steps that it tells you. Direct deposit, secured loan. You can do this with any credit union. You can accomplish this with any of these credit unions on this list. Make sure to screenshot this and save this and send it to your homies. Make sure to set up a checking, a savings, a direct deposit, and do a secured loan. And make sure to follow or subscribe for more of the best money tips you won't find anywhere else.